So, storing your bike for a long period of time, what you need, wax, oil for the chain, some form of degreaser. Of course, you need to wash your bike, and then battery tender. Tender, not Tinder. Well, you might need Tinder if you're not using your bike. Clean your chain. And then drench it with gear oil. Wash your bike. And then apply wax. Let it dry to a haze and then polish it. Put your bike on tender. And then make sure you have a full tank. Now, if no one is going to be starting your bike,
you should cover your exhaust.
but I'm not gonna do that because somebody's gonna be starting my bike every now and then. Peace.